Oh, this is great. My brother is a new driver, and he's not home. He's gonna have to drive home in this. That's gonna be a mud puddle right there. I'm gonna call it right now, because that's a dip in the grass right there. This is just from my window. So I have to make this longer so it doesn't post as a short. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right now. My brother has to drive home in this. Isn't that fun? Yeah, I just need like 3 more seconds and then I'm good. All right, bye.